John Lester. I am representative of Group 5. My topic, the first cry. Georgia De Jesus was born 1850-1929, was significant figure in the Philippine history, known primarily for her role as revolutionary leader and wife of Andres Bonifacio, the founder of the Katipunan, a secret society that fought for Philippine independence from Spanish colonial rule. Today, she is remembered not just as the mother of the Katipunan, but also for her contribution to the Philippine revolutions and her advocacy for women's rights. Her life and work continues to inspire discussion about gender role in history and society. The first cry, amid the tenderous calls from freedom during the Philippine Revolution of 1896, the stories of courageous women often fade into the shadows of history. One such figure, Georgia De Jesus, wife of revolutionary leader Andres Bonifacio, the Lakambini muse of the Katipunan, and fearless guardian of the revolution's secret will. Her husband led the charge for independence. Gregoria played critical yet understand role, safeguarding the Katipunan. Clandestine documents, weapons, and seals, all evading Spanish colonial authorities. Gregoria's testimony placed the first cry traditional debate as occurring Balintawak or Pugadlawi near Caloocan on August 25, 1896, predating the wisely cited August 26 date account. Her narrative emphasized the Katipunan widespread influence, the urgency that triggered uprising of Spanish crown. During the outbreak of the revolution, August 1896, following the Katipunan discovery by Spanish authorities, Bonifacio and his men retreated to Balintawak to mobilize force. Gregoria intellect sounds refused with her parents in Caloocan but faced imminent arrest, escape, and hardship. Warm of her impending capture, she filled night route rice field to La Loma, aiming for Manila. Her journey underscores the peril faced by revolutionaries. Those who sheltered here were punished by Spanish force, including her excited uncle who later died. She eventually joined Bonifacio in mountain enduring the harsh realities warily life. Legacy. Gregoria De Jesus exemplifies women's often overlooked contribution to revolutionary movement. Her resilience and leadership challenged gender norms of the era, cement legacy as symbol of patriotism and courage. Her story reminds us the collective struggle and sacrifice under Philippine independence. George De Jesus' story enriches our understanding of Philippine Revolution by blending personal sacrifice with political struggle. Her account, while in experience, underscores that interconnectedness of individuals, courage of collective resistance, colonial